It's you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you round, I want you round.
Lovebugs, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, before we get started on today's video, if you are a first-time visitor here to the congregation, hello, my name is Mary and this is my channel. And to my oldie but goodie Lovebugs, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, in today's video, I decided to do kind of like a part 2 to last week's video where I tried on the Fashion Nova costumes. And I kind of thought about it. Mary, what about the people who maybe don't have the budget to go out and buy a costume, or they waited to the last minute to go out and get a costume and there's nothing available, or it's just way too late in the game to order something online? Look no further, have no fear, I got you. So this video will be all about DIY costumes. These are affordable options with materials that are literally dirt cheap, or they're probably things that you probably already have in your closet that you can remix and make into a costume. So I have 4 options. I don't know what it is about the number 4, but it seems like whenever I do try on videos, it always has 4 options. Anyways, 4 options for you guys to try some DIY costumes. Again, these are all items that I've either had in my closet, or if I did have to go out and buy the items, they were dirt cheap. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. This is my first DIY costume, and it's Rosie the Riveter. Very simple costume, again, with things that you probably already have in your closet. So basically all you need is a denim shirt, a red bandana. For bottoms, you can kind of wear whatever you want. If you want to wear shorts, if you want to wear leggings, jeans, it doesn't matter, because basically you really just need to have the top part correct. And then of course, hopefully you guys can see my feet this time, but I have on some Chucks. Very simple costume. This shirt I got from Shein. I think I only paid like, I want to say I probably paid about $14 for it. These leggings I got from Amazon for like 10 bucks. The Chucks, I got them for I think maybe 45, and then this bandana I got from my local beauty supply store for $1. So again, affordable costume, very simple. It's just Rosie the Riveter. This is what she got this year. That's it. Very affordable, and also it's very comfortable with items that you probably should have in your closet. So again, it's just, you can wear whatever bottom you want, whether it's shorts, skirts, leggings, whatever, jeans, some sneakers to be comfortable. But the main staple of the costume is the denim shirt and the bandana, which again, I only paid $1 for this bandana. Very cute and very simple. So let's move on to the next costume. Okay, so this is the next costume. So I'm giving you very much Audrey Hepburn, aka Holly Golightly, and Breakfast at Tiffany's. This costume, again, super easy. The heels, they're Steve Madden heels that I already had in my closet. It's a black Forever 21 dress. I think I spent maybe $10 on this dress. And then the accessories I got from Amazon I got them on sale. It was on sale. I think I paid like $15 for this set. And cute hair, you just put in like a bun. Right now it's a messy bun because I'm doing this video, so I didn't want to mess my hair up. But yeah, very cute, very simple, you know. It's very, you know, it gives sexy, but it also gives prim and proper at the same time. So again, another super simple DIY costume that you probably already have in your closet. The only thing that you really would have to go out and buy would be the accessory set. You can do what I did and go on Amazon. Shout out to Amazon for that one-day Prime, okay? And just type in Breakfast at Tiffany's set. You'll find a bunch of accessories. like I said, I found this one on sale for $15. I mean, and I was considering sending it back, but these sunglasses are mad cute, okay? If you think I'm not gonna be rocking them, not my glove getting quiet. If you think I'm not gonna be rocking these, you got another thing coming. But yes, I think this is a very cute and simple costume with, again, items that you probably already have in your closet. So let's get into the next costume. Okay, so this DIY costume is probably my favorite, or at least one of them, because if you know me and know me well, you know that the movie Mean Girls holds a very special place in my heart. So this DIY costume pays homage to the one and only Regina George. So this is when she gained all the weight and she couldn't fit anything but sweats, and they said that she couldn't sit with them because it was a day that they don't wear sweats. I think they only wore sweats on like Fridays or something like that. But yeah, so this is a homage to Regina George. This is actually a set that I got from Amazon for like dirt cheap, and I had bought it for something and I never wore it. And I'm not gonna lie to you, the pants are kind of giving high water. I'm actually, because I have long legs, so I kind of understand now why I didn't wear them. But yeah, it's a cheap costume. I think I paid only $30 on Amazon for this track set. But if you have a pink track set in your closet, you could just be Regina George. It's very comfy and it's very simple. All you need is a pink floor tracksuit and a white tank top. And I think she wore Uggs. I can't remember. You would think that I know because I really do love the movie Mean Girls. But you can wear whatever, sneakers, Uggs, whatever on your feet. But yes, quick and simple Regina George costume. And again, this tracksuit only costs, I want to say, $30 on Amazon. You probably can find cheaper tracksuits, but again, Amazon Prime, one-day delivery, we love to see it. So let's move on to the last and final costume. Okay, so this is my last and final DIY costume, and if you haven't guessed it, yes, it is Arthur from the beloved cartoon that I hope everyone watched as a kid growing up. This is my favorite, one, for the nostalgic vibes, but two, I just think it is so cute. Like, these are all items most of us have in our closet. So I just wearing a pair of like Fashion Nova jeans, a white button-up shirt, and a yellow sweater over it. All things that I've already had in my closet, along with my white Chucks. And then I got this headband off of Amazon for $4. It came in a set with a little tail, but we don't need it. And then if you are anyone like me and you are blind, you don't have to go out and buy a pair of glasses. You can just wear your own. So again, simple, affordable, and it's so cute. Like, who don't love Arthur? But yes, very simple, very cute, and it only takes 5 minutes, not even, to come up with this costume. So yes, this is costume number 4. I love it. I think it's very cute and affordable, and again, the nostalgic vibes. It's an A+ in my book. Okay, Lovebugs, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will make sure to link everything that was used in this video that I did purchase down in the description below. Also, what do you guys think of my t-shirt? I think it is super cute. If you're also interested in this t-shirt, I will be sure to link the link below as well. Hey Lovebugs, so this is me in editing, realizing that I never told you guys to like, comment, and most importantly, you already knew it was coming, you already know the vibes. Make sure that you subscribe because sis, if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Please be sure to hit the red subscribe button until it turns gray and it says you are subscribed. Also be sure to turn on your post notifications so this way when I drop new videos, you won't miss a beat. Now let's get back into closing out this video.
I wanna kiss you, your eyes.